Lucius Annaeus Seneca was a Roman Stoic philosopher, statesman, and one of history's greatest teachers of wisdom. Born nearly 2,000 years ago, his words on time, discipline, courage, and the human mind remain just as relevant today. His philosophy was simple. Life is not short. We simply waste too much of it. Here are some of Seneca's most powerful quotes. Time is the one thing we all receive equally, but the thing most people waste carelessly. It is not that we have a short time to live, but that we waste much of it. No man is crushed by misfortune unless he has first been deceived by prosperity. Difficulties strengthen the mind, as labor strengthens the body. We suffer more often in imagination than in reality. A man who fears suffering is already suffering from what he fears. Luck is what happens when preparation meets opportunity. The greatest obstacle to living is expectation. You are arranging what lies in fortune's control and abandoning what lies in your own. He who is brave is free. True happiness is to enjoy the present without anxious dependence on the future. No person has the power to have everything they want, but every person has the power not to want what they do not have. If you really want to escape the things that trouble you, what you need is not to be in a different place, but to be a different person. The mind that is anxious about future events is miserable. Begin at once to live, and count each separate day as a separate life. While we wait for life, life passes. There is no easy way from Earth to the stars. The whole future lies in uncertainty. Live immediately. No man was ever wise by chance. To wish to be well is a part of becoming well. Sometimes even to live is an act of courage. The greatest wealth is a poverty of desires. Associate with people who are likely to improve you. If a man knows not which port he sails, no wind is favorable. Every new beginning comes from some other beginning's end. The wise man is neither raised up by prosperity, nor cast down by adversity. Fire tests gold, suffering tests brave men. No evil is honorable, but death is honorable. Therefore, death is not evil. A gem cannot be polished without friction, nor a man perfected without trials. The day which we fear as our last is but the birthday of eternity. The important thing about a problem is not its size, but the strength of the mind facing it. Do not ask for life to be easy. Ask for yourself to be stronger. If you live according to nature, you will never be poor. If you live according to opinion, you will never be rich. A man is as miserable as he thinks he is. No wind helps the man who has no destination. The mind becomes powerful when it stops being a slave to fear. To be calm is not weakness. It is the highest form of control. The strongest person is the one who can master himself. Do not waste today complaining about yesterday. Do not give your peace to things you cannot control. Life is long enough for the person who knows how to use it. Stop postponing your life. Stop waiting for perfect conditions. Stop living as if you have unlimited time. What you do today is what your life is made of. So protect your time, train your mind, endure hardship. Choose wisdom over comfort. Choose discipline over excuses. Choose peace over fear, because the person who controls his mind controls his life. And the person who uses time wisely never truly loses.